Hello, this is Sandra from ECIT Autogear. I'm going to show you how to use the app to do all the things that you are required to do. First of all, you have many cars that many people use. So to change between the cars where you have trips, you go on the top. On it's called Sandra 12. I'll press there, and then all the cars that I have access to and trips on will be here for you to choose from. Yes. If there is no driver registered on the trip, as it is on these two trips, you see there is just a blue circle with a man inside. You then just press the blue man and you find yourself. You can either search or do the scroll. And then you see it's not a blue man anymore, it's my initials, Sandra Flotve. So now you are a driver on the trip. This can also happen if you have forgotten your driver ID beacon at home, that you're not registered automatically. So then this is how you get yourself to be the driver on the trip. Yes, all the work trips also have to have a project connected to them. So to connect project, you just press select project, and then you will get a list of all the projects here. And also, if you have projects that you drive to frequently and use most, you can then also star mark the project that you want to go up in the favorite list, and it will always appear on top. For my sakes now, let's take this project. So now you see that I am the driver on the trip, and also I have the project connected. Then you can swipe right to confirm the trip. Yes, on all the cars we have working hours into the system. So if you work overtime and the trip you have driven is work related and not private, you just press where it says private to change it to work. Remember though to then connect the projects as well. So now the trip is work. And also, yes, as we see here, there is no driver on this trip, so I have to press on the blue icon with the man. I'll find myself, and now I am the driver, so then I will be able to confirm the trip. Yes, thank you for the attention.